How's it going, volleyball fans? Here is the first edition of our awesome plays in the year 2024 for NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball. As always, we begin at number 10.
Bohol to Roxy.
Roxy de la Cruz starts us off with something like a smart tip for the check ball. At number 9,
Quick attack. Santos from the back row.
third-year open spiker Kath Santos with an out-of-system spike from the back row a la Lady Beast Gretzel Soltones. Dito naman sa number 8,
Free ball.
ang bagong kapitana ng Arellano, Dodi Batindaan, nagpakita ng lakas sa ibabaw ng net. Para sa number 7,
Wala si Gil Pascual ngayon. Umabas is
pinigilan ng graduating middle blocker ng Benilde na si Mitch Gamit ang atake ng EAC. Continuing the countdown at number 6.
kay Magaling. Ngayon naman, back set para kay Padilyon.
How about this block by Letrans Angge Ledesma? Perfect timing. Returning to the countdown at number 5.
Longest rally so far here in the opening set. And it is
It's Mitch Gamit getting a sweet delivery from Cloanne Mondoñedo for her first point in season 99. At number 4,
Dapat mas lumalim yung depensa nila sa area na yun.
the Lady Knights are moving differently under new head coach Oliver Almadro. Here's Judiel Nitura with the finish. Sa number 3,
for Bethwell. Trying to finish it. Dapoy!
syempre, hindi mawawala ang reigning MVP, Mary Rose Dapol, game-winning spike para sa unang panalo ng Perpetual ngayong season.
For the win.
Para naman sa number 2,
13-8. And she's back at the service line. And she scores an ace.
ang two-time best setter ng liga, Venice Mingming Puzon, nagpaula ng puntos mula sa service line.
Back-to-back point.
And for our number 1 play,
Timing and leadership. Makilang cross court.
her story is only beginning. Remember the name, Gia Makilang. She could one day be the CC Rondina of the NCAA. And those were our awesome plays for this week. Which plays did you like? Let us know and we'll see you all again soon right here in NCAA Season 99.